Wherever life takes you, Smart Health PayCard is your financial partner in managing healthcare expenses. It's your go-to credit card to pay for everyday health needs, from doctor and dentist visits to telehealth, high deductibles, medications, mental health, cosmetic surgery, emergencies, vision, and more. With the Smart Health PayCard, you have the means to schedule appointments and immediately pay for them. Cardholders get benefits at no additional charge, such as a prescription program with savings up to 80% at pharmacies nationwide, up to $5,000 in medical accident coverage, and $5,000 accidental death insurance. Cardholders may enjoy discounts at participating healthcare providers. The revolving credit line complements health savings accounts, providing resources to pay for expenses that happen before your HSA is funded. All of your healthcare payments are consolidated in online statements, empowering you to be a steward of your health while simplifying record keeping and tax preparation. Applying for Smart Health PayCard is quick and easy. Enter the requested information on the secure Smart Health PayCard website. Be sure to enter the application code. Click Submit. Receive an Express Approval Status response. Activate your virtual Smart Health PayCard and use it right away. A traditional card will come in the mail. Focus on good health, not how to pay for it. Smart Health PayCard is there when you need it. Ask your healthcare provider about how to apply for your Smart Health PayCard today.